We got a lot of people.
Hold them to the side. Hold them to the side. Hold on.
Just put them at the bottom.
Huh?
What you want? Okay.
Mom, we can eat over there.
Okay, that's good. That's good right now, baby. Let's go see what they got. Hold on, okay? There's a line over there. Let me see what they got.
They got Oreos. Plus they go into fine arts.
Here, mommy. Scarlet Rose.
The Oreos is $3. So
Oh, here, baby.
give it a $3. Give it a $3. Hello. How you doing? I'm good. How you doing? Yeah. What's up, family? How y'all doing? All right. Make sure you support the Fine Arts Table. That's going to a good cause. What's up, Ollie?
Listen, we are doing mad fine arts fundraisers too.
Oh, I bet.
You getting ready?
Every year.
Yes.
You gearing up? What's on the calendar?
We're going to, well, they're shooting tonight, but I'm here.
Yeah.
But we're going to Orlando.
Yeah. Fundraisers?
They're kind of doing like more fundraisers, but we might do have some meals out there to
Collard greens? Fried chicken? Collard greens, fried chicken? See what I'm saying? Hey. Jerk chicken? Oxtail? I'm just messing with you. I'm messing with you. Yeah. Gotta raise money some kind of way, right? It just don't fall out of the sky. You know? This was actually donated though. The cart was donated by my mom, so she never did nothing, so we use it to generate income and also feed the homeless. I don't know, I think 2